walking down the road less traveled, through the dust and the gravel. Every step, every fight I face, I keep moving, I fight.